Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the LG Mobile driver on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder now. In the folder you will be able to see the following files. So let's quickly begin with the tutorial. Just double click on the X file to open it. Now installation will be done automatically. So drivers are installed on the computer. Now everything is done. Now you're ready to connect your LG device to the Windows computer. Thank you for watching the video. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel.